Hi, let me teach you how to fix the Instagram DM not showing up, okay? I have three ways for you here. First things first, please, let's check if we're connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or via mobile data, and not at the same time. Because if you have these two right here open up, that could cause a problem. Second step that I want you to make sure of is go to the App Store and make sure your Instagram is up to date. As you can see on mine, it's up to date. But if you see on your end that it's not updated, please update the Instagram app, and that should fix your problem. Now, the third thing that I want you to check is go on settings, go on general, and please look for iPhone storage. It should be this one. Click on it. Now, I want you to make sure that you have 4 to 5 gig of free data or free space, so you won't have any problems here. That could cause a problem of your DM not showing up. Now, this is the third way. Look for the Instagram app. As I found it over here, I'm gonna click on it. Now, this is the last way. Click on offload app, and then just wait for it for a few seconds. And as you can see here, I already uploaded my app. I'm just gonna reinstall it again. Click reinstall, and just wait for a few seconds again. And once it's done reinstalling, you're gonna see the offload app sign again. That means you already reinstalled your app, and that should fix your DM not showing up. Those are the 3 ways that I can give you for now. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.